Are you tired of fiddling around trying to find cables in your Tesla? Don't you just wish you had an easier way? Well, I have the product for you. The Tesla USB hub retractable cables, baby. Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Tesla retractable USB hub. Yes, this is a game changer when it comes down to cables. It comes with one lightning port with cable, one USB-C port with cable, one USB-C port regular, and another USB-A port regular. This is everything you need when it comes down to the ports and cables. So as you can see, the magic in this thing is that it has built-in cables that are retractable, so you don't have to worry about tangling cables anymore. And they retract all the way up to 31.5 inches. And you also have your standard USB-C and A ports at the top if you need them. All you'll need to do is plug in these two USB-C ports in your center console. And you also have these cool faceplates that you can install. So installation is very easy. Just go over to your center console, place this in diagonally. There's only one way it goes, diagonally like so, and then just kind of press down and then turn it vertically. So then, and it will free move back and forth. There's nothing to lock it in place, just gravity. And once you have it correctly installed, you'll just go ahead and plug it into these two USB-C ports in the center console. And I gotta say, these cables are very snug, so when it plugs in, it holds it there quite well. Then you will close the center console, and that will keep the device locked in place. Just like so. And it completely looks like it's a part of the Tesla. Nobody would ever be able to tell. This is aftermarket. When you're done with the installation, next you're going to want to install your faceplates. As I shown you earlier, there are 3. I'm going to go with the Tesla logo. The one that's spelled out. So I just cleaned with a little bit of alcohol first, and then just go ahead and press down. And it lightly illuminates in blue, nothing overbearing. Pull the sticker off the top, and you are good to go. Installation is complete. And look at that fantastic look. Retractable cables. You can have anybody charge if you'd like. My phone stays up here, so I always want to have it charging. I don't have to hassle with any cable anymore. Charged, ready to go. Also, you can charge 2 phones at the same time, actually up to 4 if you would like. So you see here, I got the Android USB-C on the left, and on the right is the Apple. And when you're all done, just pull up, and it will retract right in on itself. And that was the Tesla retractable USB hub docking station. Pick yours up today.